Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today I'll be learning how to view downloads in YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view downloaded music in the YT Music app, first open up your YT Music app on your phone. And after opening the YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, we can see the library option available for us. Tap on the library button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here, guys, currently we are on the library, but at the top left corner of the screen you can see the library button available for us. In order to view all of your downloads on the YT Music app, tap on the library at the top left corner of the screen, and when this menu appears, tap on downloads, and all of your downloaded files will be over here on the download tab of the YouTube Music app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view downloads in YT Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.